Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. If today is the first time you're seeing my channel, do well by subscribing. All you need to do is click on the red subscribe button, and there's a bell beside the subscribe button. Click on it, click on all, so that you get notified anytime we upload a new video. Alright, so this channel is all about creativity and exploit. Is all about impact. It's all about impacting lives. All right, so a lot of people have made it through this video, and I know that you also make something good out of this video. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you a very beautiful purse. So let's get into the detail of the video. So this is the material I will be using. I'm using leather material, but remember, you can use any material of your choice. You can use any material of your choice. Okay, so and the measurement is 9.5 by 7 inches. 9.5 by 7 inches. If you want to measure in centimeter, you have 24 centimeter by 18 centimeter. All right, so we'll be using this zip head or runner, and then we'll be using this zip cloth. Okay, zip head and zip cloth. Okay, so these are the things we'll be using. Okay, so now the first thing I'll be doing is I'll pick the material and join these two sides together and sew it. So the next thing I'll be doing is to fix my zip cloth like this. Alright, so this is the wrong side of the zip cloth. So see what we have. So you make sure that this is what I have. Okay, alright, so I'm going to use this on the other. So this is all that I need. Okay, so the next thing is to fix my zip head. Alright, but before then, so I'm going to fix my zip head. Alright, so I'll flip it this way. So I'll top stitch. So make sure it's balanced. Top stitch here. So I'll just flip it this way and top stitch a little, like let's say 0.5 inches. So I'll cut it off. I'll also top stitch the same thing, 0.5. Cut it off. Alright, so you're going to see the beauty that we have here. So turn it to the other side, and if you do this, your purse is ready. So you can see that we have our beautiful purse ready Alright, so what do you have to say about this course? Drop it in the comment section. If you really got something good from this tutorial, I want you to drop something, and if you have a video suggestion, let me know. Alright guys, if you watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do subscribe. If you know this channel has helped you, you got something from here, just know that you get more. Just subscribe to the channel right now. Alright, so thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye for now.